guys, I decided that since my birthday is coming up and Capricorn season, whatever, it's about a month away, January 5th, but I kind of wanted to save some money this year, and typically I buy a completely new outfit or a few outfits to wear on my birthday, but since my husband is actually planning my birthday celebration this year, I don't really know what we're doing or what's going to happen. However, I did have some looks that I wanted to kind of get off because it's quarantine. Nobody's really been able to dress up or go out like that, especially here in Colombia. So I decided I should do a lookbook, and I kind of want you guys to give me your feedback or kind of vote on what you think I should wear. So I'm going to put some looks together, and I just want your feedback on what you guys like, what you guys don't like, and also just to kind of show you guys some outfits that I bought that are pretty I'm a very frugal shopper. I like nice things, but I'm not going to spend a bunch of money on something just because it's a bunch of money. I'm just not into that. My skin is kind of acting up, but it is around that time of the month as well, and I've noticed that my hormones have been kind of out of whack, so never mind my skin. However, let's get into this lookbook slash haul. I'll also post the places and list them below, like the places that I got some of these outfits from. I just kind of want your feedback, and I'll also do the pricing as well for each item. So let's get started. So this look here is from I believe it's Forever 21 actually. Yeah, there it goes. And the bag is actually from my aunt's brand called The Heel World. You can shop with her on Facebook. I'll link her information as well. And the bag itself was only $35. It's actually very sturdy. I see this style a lot everywhere, and I just wanted to, support Black-owned businesses. And I purchased from my aunt, and she has a lot of cute things actually that you guys should check out. And I'll also be showing another bag that I bought from her this past week actually in a new video. But for this dress, I pretty much styled it how I'm holding it. It was a bit low cut, and as you can see, it is pretty short, so it does ride up, especially in the front. You have to be careful of that when sitting down. Sit really cute like. But for the most part, it's very comfortable, very itty bitty titty committee friendly. Definitely didn't wear a bra with this. Doesn't make sense with how I styled it, but this is definitely a very comfortable and cute look that I have worn in the past, and I would be interested in revamping it, maybe adding a few things to it, better jewelry or things like that to make it pop a bit more in the future. So here I am about to grab these shoes that I purchased last year for my birthday from City Trends actually, and they were about $20. Yep. And I got them on the sales rack actually. They were the last pair. They go with just about anything because of the undertone, but this is an up close of the dress and just how everything comes together as well. So this next look, you guys, is one of my favorites because it is just so form-fitting. It's really hard for me to find dresses or anything really that fits this well. As you can see, it's from Fashion Nova. It also kind of went on a Fashion Nova spree last year. And it's just, my birthday's in the winter, so I have to find things that keep me cute and warm because I get cold very easily. But this was just so nice, and it's definitely a dress that I'm going to keep for a very long time. Snatched, definitely. And my waist just looks great. My figure looks great. I sound extremely conceited, but no, honestly, you guys, y'all see it. Like, that's a nice shape from the dress that I'm getting. And just the color itself, it's really a vibrant color, and it's very comfortable as well. Easily can be worn with a jacket. I have on these gold shoes, which you will see later once I have a close-up, but as you can see, I just feel good in this dress because it is so comfortable. It's not itchy, it's form-fitting, and you know everything is perfectly set in place. But that is definitely one of the highlights of the dresses that I purchased from Fashion Nova. I do not mind. I almost had a nip slip. But yeah, definitely, as you can see, it's very cute. I had an extra small at the time, and this is just the length that I'm showing you now. And you can also see those shoes that I was referring to, some Vince Camuto pumps, and those other shoes that I wore from Legs Again that I purchased also go well with this. Okay guys, so this is a very daring outfit that I chose, also from Fashion Nova. This one was I had to build myself up, y'all, to wear it. It was the confidence level I needed it to be there. But I thought it was a nice step outside of my comfort zone. It's sexy, not doing too much, but it's doing a lot as well. Definitely hugs the curves. This is definitely something you would wear out in Atlanta at a lounge, a hookah bar, or something like that, and you're just feeling cute and you want to go party. Like, this is something you wear to get lit when you're the birthday girl. And that's what I was going with this outfit. Definitely probably won't be wearing this much or ever again, just now that I'm married, but you will not be cold, sis. Like, the sleeves, everything keeps you comfortable. The actual bondage material is very soft and warm as well. But I'm actually going to post some videos from my birthday weekend just so you guys can see the outfits in action, and that is going to be the wrap up of this video. But just enjoy this dress while you see it, because I won't be wearing it again.